doing?
I'm chilling in the whip. Yeah.
Man, my son, man, this is the... What's up? Junior gangster.
Hi.
Man, come on, man. Get your on out of here, man. Come on, be a part of the party.
You a little late. I done
You been here?
I done walked the carpet, then my little energy.
You did? Oh, you did that?
Yeah,
man. Slap me some skin, bro. Hey, man, you done picked up. Hey, you did the right thing, man. That's fine. That's fine.
Song dropping at midnight.
So, what? Why you ain't say that when I put the...
Song dropping at midnight. Go get it. Talk to you. Yeah.
What's your name of your company?
Wild Beats Incorporated. That's my label.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got the LLC to that. Yeah.
Why you got it incorporated in the LLC? It's one or the other. You do the LLC, you do the INC. Why you do the LLC? Why you... Never mind, don't worry about that. We'll talk about that later, man. Don't worry about that.